Alright, so we got the dirty HARDI pump pulled apart. Right away we can notice that the point side of it, everything looks really nice inside there, except for the fact that there is lots of carbon buildup on that bad boy right there. So what we'll do is take some solvent, squirt it on it, and then wire wheel a little bit, as well as run some fine sandpaper between it. Second thing is, after I do that, then I'm going to see if this pump will go up and down. But as you can hear, this diaphragm right here, which is what everybody's worried about replacing, making that crunchy noise. It's crunchy like a potato chip. So I want to try to clean the points real quick, see if the pump will pump with that crunchy diaphragm still in it. And then after that I'm going to take it out regardless and replace the diaphragm as well. But it should work, and because it's free and it doesn't have the top on it, so they actually work. So we'll see if that happens first. Alright, so we took the diaphragm rod out. It didn't work. I applied power to it and it wanted to work, so I just said forget it, I might as well just take it out. This just unscrews. So if you grab this silver top, make sure that the gasket's loose and not stuck to the inside of the ring in here. I want to run that. I use a little screwdriver to do that. But it's got a weight on it, and then this rod goes all the way down here and is just screwed in there. So if you just unscrew it, it comes out. And then after that, this unscrews off the top of the brass rod and comes apart off of there. That's what I'm going to show next, is that silver piece coming off of here, the cast piece coming off of the brass rod. So there you go, it's taken apart. The weighted rod, brass rod, here's two diaphragms that came off of it, just a little sandwiched together. This was on the bottom, this was on the top, and that's what it looked like. And they're like, hear it, crunchy. They're kind of hard, like wafers from gas sitting on them. But that's what goes bad in those things, and gets stiff, and then the pump can't go up and down. So you got to get gasket material like that. This is sheet goods I got a long time ago from the late Russ Wolf. Great member on the Samba. Sent a lot of this to several members that wanted it. He had lots of sheet goods, but it is also available on the internet really fairly easily. It's just rubberized gas permeable gasket material is all it is. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this onto that, and then we're going to put that gasket on here and put it back in after I clean it all. That'll be next to see if all that works. There's the rocket science part of it. Obviously set it down, trace it, cut it out. Cut out one step closer. Got to cut those little holes out in the middle, and then I'll put it back on the rod right there and stick it back in there and see what happens. Result. I'll put it back together and clean that bad boy up. Alright, all cleaned up, ready for assemble. There you go, all cleaned, assembled, put back together, and hopefully it works. That'd be nice. There you go. Air's pumping out of here. This one's a lot stronger than that other one was in that first video. But there you go. She's alive. 12 volt HARDI Eberspacher pump.